Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TDEY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been doing this one quite a bit, but rightfully so, been a very active chart and lots of people watching it, so lots of requests and such have been coming in on it. And it's looking like things are finally starting to turn around. The last time I did the video just talked about how, or actually 2 times ago when I did the video, talked about a pullback. Then the last video talked about, how that pullback had been happening, but it was good to see that this support held down here. You can see right down there, pullback, found support, and then since then has been bouncing. Yesterday was that weird day where the market was only open, I don't know, like 45 minutes or whatever. So this day definitely counts, but that low volume is very deceiving. But really doesn't matter because at the end of the day, you can see today was nice follow through with a nice green candle. So now the question really becomes: is this ready to bounce and start to head back upwards? And the question that accompanies that is, if it does start to bounce, how strong is the bounce that's occurring? And the good news is, by using charts, we can make those questions very easy to answer. So first question, how can we measure the strength of the bounce? And really the first level that we can use to measure the strength is going to be to see how it reacts around this resistance here. This was a previous level of support. This level's value is at 0.0135. So 0.0135, again, looking back through the history of the chart, you can see acted as resistance. And then when the price got above it, support a couple more days, support again right there. And then when the price did drop below it, you can see acted as resistance. And although the price didn't quite hit it today, pretty darn close. So this will be the first kind of strength gauge of any sort of bounce, 0.0135. After that, the next area of resistance that we can use as a strength gauge is going to be right up here. Again, you can see when the price dropped below it right here. Multiple times tried to get above it but could not, so this is another area of resistance, and that's at 0.016. So 0.0163 to be exact. So these two levels will be, the two strength gauges. Of course, if it gets up here, this is more of the overall chart gauge. If it can start to break through these and closes above these, then that shows that the overall chart is now putting a new high. So these are more of the bounce gauges. These are the overall chart gauges. So all these have significances, but these ones are more so just for the actual bounce that it's looking like starting to happen right now. In terms of support, nothing has really changed. I do want to add an ideal level of support, meaning ideally you'd like to see this level hold from here on out, that level being at 0.01. But if it doesn't hold, then again you still do have this level of support down there. But all in all, good looking chart, nice way to end the week. So we'll have to see how strong this bounce goes into next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy, or maybe you're looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on that image above and visit our instant download video course store. Multiple videos and courses, all in instant download format, so you can literally get started learning today. Been getting good third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to check them out and give them a try. One more time, so it's TDEY. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.